Hey, it's Rachel Doe. Today I just want to show the walk between Peppa Pig theme park and Legoland Florida Resort. I've seen this question asked a lot online. Well, I'm here today at Legoland to show you the route. So you have the same parking lot for the hotels except for Beach Retreat. So if you're coming to the Legoland Hotel, the Pirate Island Hotel, Legoland Florida Resort, the water park, or Peppa Pig theme park, it's all the same parking lot. So here's the covered parking. This is the preferred, and the back is the regular parking. So if you're at Peppa, you head to the right from basically most of the parking lot. It's really easy to see. You just follow this blue fence. And to get to the regular park, you're gonna pass this thing on the right. This is the bus loop. If you're staying at Beach Retreat, this is where the Beach Retreat shuttle is. And there's a giant sign here to help you out. Okay, so we're just gonna continue on this way. You have another sign up here, so it's really simple. Just keep following the arrow. This is where you're going to take a right. And you can already see the park entrance. So you're already here at the security. We've got the signs right over there, and the front gates are right through the security. Over there is the Legoland Hotel, and over there is the Pirate Island Hotel. So obviously I'm not going all the way to the gate today because I'm not entering the park, but as you can see, it's a 5-minute walk, if that. It's really less, but of course if you're taking your little ones, you probably are, or you have a bigger group, or someone who needs extra help, it might take a couple more minutes, but it's a really, really simple, easy route. Now I'm gonna show the route in reverse in case you're coming from the park. Just remember, if you're leaving from the water park or anywhere in the back, it's gonna add an extra 10 to 15 minutes to your walk, so don't start from the very back of the park and think you're gonna be in Peppa in 5 minutes. So if you're leaving Legoland, walk straight out towards the parking lot. Don't go towards the hotels. There's decent shade on this walk, but once you get to the parking lot, there is no shade. When you get to these yellow poles, you take a left. And again, you can see it. You just need to be aware. and you're already here. You just walk right around this fence here and you get to the entrance. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.